So hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that Dropshiply 2.0 has been launched on 19 July 11 am Eastern. Dropshiply is a cloud-based app that will allow anyone to create and run their own dropshipping store just by clicking a few buttons. So today I'm just quick review about what is Dropshiply 2.0 and what is the key benefits and features you will get in this software, and how Dropshiply helps to create your e-commerce store perfectly, and how it will be and how you can earn $1 million with Dropshiply. So if you bit in a hurry, my purchasable link plus my premium bonuses is waiting for you in the description box, so you can check it out. So let's get started. So Dropshiply is not a new product. Dropshiply has been already launched in 2020, but that is the older version of the Dropshiply. Now Dropshiply has been fully rebuilt and more than 100 new features have been introduced, making it incredibly simple for users to manage an e-commerce firm. This advanced technology will allow you to create an online business quickly. This is the method to use if you're interested in generating quick and ongoing cash flow while developing a legitimate web business. The most innovative piece of software available today for starting and managing a dropshipping business without Shopify, allowing you to make six figures while dozing off, is called Dropshiply 2.0. So now let's talk about the sales page of the Dropshiply. So here you can see secret point and click domination platform that generated $3 million plus in sales in less than 9 months. As you can see, some results of the users who have prepared their e-commerce business with Dropshiply. As you can see, this person has been made $98,000 and this has been made $35,000 in sales. So here you can see some results of the Dropshiply 2.0, and this is the 3 simple steps to start your journey with Dropshiply. Just step 1, login, and step 2, create your store and get traffic and sales. So now let's quickly come on to the features, that what type of feature and benefits you will get in this new version of Dropshiply 2.0. So here firstly you will get easy to use dashboard where you can analyze your sales and what's going on with your e-commerce website. So you can manage on the dashboard, so easy to use dashboard here. You will get all-in-one platform, everything you could possibly need to start selling your products online. No more expensive monthly fees, unspotted apps and complicated ads on anymore. Advanced store creation technology you will get, and powerful e-commerce dropshipping features that they build the most amazing e-commerce feature in existence. Build your own empire with e-commerce product technology and instant dropshipping capabilities. Cutting edge software you will get, WP import you will get, one and done editing system you will get, store and SEO stats you will get, and niche intelligence technology, FB Ads Explorer, Click Producer Importer, built-in app editor, and as you can see, unlimited customization, instantly edit product description, title, price, tags, category, images, variants, and more and much more. As you can see, you can edit it in built-in app edit. So if we come down below, as you can see that who can take benefits from this software. So as you can see, it doesn't matter what niche you are in. Dropshiply 2.0 helps you to earn big and fast by automating the most donating tasks in your business. It is perfect for if you are an e-commerce store owners, or you are a dropshipper, physical product vendor, a small business owner, brick and mortar business, local business owner, if you are a FB marketer, digital agency, freelancer, and if you are a newbie, and if you are an advanced marketer. So it doesn't matter what niche you are, you will definitely make money with this dropshipping business and with Dropshiply 2.0. So here you can see why Dropshiply 2.0 is best. So this is the answer, that Dropshiply has able to make unique store creation technology. They build the most amazing e-commerce features in existence. Everything you could possibly need to start selling your products online. Here is no upfront inventory. Everything is drop shipped. You will never have to pay for an item until you profit first. So that's the best thing of the dropshipping, that you don't even have to invest your inventory and block your money into the product. You just have to target the targeted audience and just sell the product, and product will be automatically sell out from the vendor side. So for my personal opinion, dropshipping is the best business ever. Then you can see high profit margins, that Dropshiply 2.0 will instantly give you access to a secret vault of millions of hottest, top quality products with high profit margins. You can resell for $20 to $50 and you only have to pay $1 to $3 for them after you get paid first. So that's the wonderful thing. then there is zero competition. We have no competition as we are choosing items for a selection of 5 million products. Therefore, unlike most business models where everyone is trying to push the same thing, it is exceptionally unlikely that you will be selling the same product as someone else. Rapidly scalable business. So this is also a scalable business. You can scale it one right product or ad, and you can easily scale to $100,000 per month. And with the FB targeting I'm going to reveal to you, and you will be able to sell these products within hours of setting up your store. Then secret dropshipping sources they will provide you in the Dropshiply 2.0 with hundreds of most reliable dropshippers on the planet for thousands of products so that you can fulfill order first. And you can target perfect FB audience. Our inbuilt FB and targeting tool will allow you to instantly target hungry buyers that will gladly buy your products. And you will get instant access to your extensive team of experts, zero experience necessary, and the best possible timing. E-commerce is growing at a staggering rate, and the best time to start making a massive profit is now during the upward swing. So as you can see, you are 3 steps away. Just log in to your Dropshiply 2.0. Just import hot products and build a 6-figure empire in your life. So that's the wonderful opportunity for you. Dropshiply 2.0 allows you to make your dropshipping business very success, and I wish you will be successful in this business and you have got full of information about the Dropshiply 2.0. So in order to get this software, my purchasable link in the description box. If you've done any purchase through my link, I'll also provide you my premium bonuses. You can share me your invoice on my Instagram handle and I'll provide you my $1,000 worth bonuses. So that's the very wonderful offer for you. So I'll catch you in the next review. Thanks for watching.